Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add MatChain Network to MetaMask wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on this reputable article. So first of all, you have to add MatChain mainnet to MetaMask. So you have to click on add to wallet, navigate to the roll up info page first, then click on add to wallet. MetaMask will prompt you to add the network, confirm to proceed. Manually add MatChain to MetaMask. If the automatic method doesn't work, you can add the network manually using these details. So you can take a look at these details and add the network. And this is about it. This is how you do it. Then you just have to follow these steps, and that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching. Just take a note of these details just in case you wanna add the network manually. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.